Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system compatibility. Run WinVer to verify Windows 10 1809 or later. Then open PowerShell as an administrator. This is required to repair system components. Once done, check the app installer package. If it is missing or outdated, reinstall the M6 bundle from the store or sideload a known good M6. You do this because Winget depends on app installer's M6 runtime. Fixing it early prevents cascading failures, and it prepares you for the commands that follow. Now you repair the core components. First run getapps package Microsoft. Desktop app installer all users to inspect the package state. If damaged, use add apps package register, path / to /apps manifest. XML or run Winget repair when available. This reinstalls and re-registers the manifest so the client can run. Also execute WS reset, exe to clear the Microsoft Store cache, and then restart the AppX deployment service and related background services. Doing these steps fixes corrupted manifests and cached metadata that commonly block Winget. Finish by validating functionality. Run Winget info, then try Winget search package and Winget install package to confirm operations. If you still see errors, open Event Viewer and inspect applications and services logs for apps or store entries. Those logs reveal deployment or permission failures. As a key troubleshooting tip, if conflicts remain, temporarily uninstall other package managers or reset the Microsoft Store app. Because multiple installers can interfere with app installers' registration, this often resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.